In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in Airtable. Airtable is a powerful tool that combines the simplicity of a spreadsheet with the complexity of a database, allowing you to organize anything with anyone from anywhere. Creating forms in Airtable can streamline your data collection process, making it efficient and seamless. Let's jump right in and explore how you can set up a form in a few simple steps. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to your Airtable project. If you're not already logged in, make sure you do so by entering your credentials. Once you're in your workspace, you should see a list of your current projects or bases. Select the base where you'd like to create your form. This could be a project you're currently working on or a new one you're setting up. Once you're in the correct base, look for the option to add a new view. This is usually represented by a Create New button, which is prominently displayed in your interface. Click on this button. It's important to note that adding a new view allows you to manage how you interact with your data, whether you're building a grid, calendar, Kanban, or in this case, a form. After clicking Create New, you'll be presented with several options for different types of views. Here, you want to select Form. This is where you'll begin the process of designing a form tailored to your needs. The form view in Airtable is incredibly versatile, providing a straightforward way to collect structured data from users without them needing access to your entire base. Now that you've selected Form, you'll enter the Form Customization screen. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a list of the fields that are currently in your table. To start building your form, simply drag and drop the fields you want to include. Consider what information is essential and think about the best way to guide your respondents through the form. You can rearrange the fields in any order that makes sense for your workflow. As you customize your form, take advantage of Airtable's settings to fine-tune each field. You can make fields required, add descriptions for clarity, and even adjust the field types to fit the data you need to collect. This level of detail ensures that you gather precisely the information you need while keeping the form easy to navigate for your respondents. Once you're satisfied with your form, you can share it with others. Airtable provides you with a unique link that you can distribute to your team members, clients, or anyone else from whom you need to collect data. This link can be shared through email, social media, or embedded on a website. All responses are automatically collected in your Airtable base, making it easy to review and analyze the data. And there you have it. You've successfully created a form in Airtable. This form will help you gather the data you need with ease and efficiency, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, using that data to drive your projects forward. Thanks for watching, and happy form building!